Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkans. Well, believe it or not, it's rose planting time in your garden. Weather conditions and soil conditions are perfect for planting roses. And if you're looking for colour right through the summer from June right through till October, maybe on a bank, a slope, somewhere to cover the ground, I can highly recommend flower carpet roses. They're disease resistant, they flower for nearly 6 months of the year, and they come in 5 different colours: red, pink, white, yellow, and the beautiful double orange. When you're planting flower carpet roses, my advice is to add a good quality compost, add some rose fertilizer, but also plant them in groups of threes or fives of the same color to get that carpet effect, that uniform effect. So remember, if you want color from mid-June right through until late autumn, early winter, I can certainly recommend the flower carpet roses. And here in Horkans, in our Sligo, Galway and Castlebar stores, we've got a fantastic selection, not just of flower carpet, but of all the different variety of roses: climbers, ramblers, hybrid tea, and floribunda varieties. Drop in, we're open 7 days a week.